video will explain the process for using the ViGuide mobile app for spare parts replacement. The boiler models affected are Vitodens 100, B1HE and B1KE, Vitodens 200, B2HE, Vitocrossal 200CI2. Spare parts replacement of critical electronic components requires the use of the ViGuide app and a full Viessmann IAM account. Make sure the ViGuide app is the most current version. Log into the ViGuide app while you still have access to the internet, as it needs to verify your credentials. Once the ViGuide app is updated and you are logged in with a full Viessmann account, you will not need the internet. All communication with the boiler will be through a hotspot connection directly with the boiler's SSID network. Select Stay Logged In. Logging in could take a few minutes, especially if the app was recently updated. We have sped up the process in this video for time's sake. Now, select Spare Parts Replacement. The screen will display the two types of control interfaces. Select the button which more closely represents the screen on the boiler you are working on. We are demonstrating the Vitodens 200 boiler here. Screenshots and instructions will vary for the Vitodens 100. Follow the on-screen instructions for the boiler you are working on. Once the boiler is in hotspot mode, you can either scan the QR code or manually enter the WPA2 security password and the boiler's SSID network information from the Wi-Fi sticker. The Wi-Fi label has the Wi-Fi symbol above the QR code. The WPA2 and SSID information is in the text to the right of the QR code. Check that the boiler that ViGuide is connected to is the correct boiler by comparing the serial number on the boiler rating plate to the serial number shown in the app. Select the hardware you are replacing or updating the database for. Heed on-screen pop-up information. If replacing the physical hardware, follow the instructions given in the app. These instructions may be different for different boilers or different hardware being replaced. Updating the parameters may take several minutes. We have sped up the process in this video. If the parameters updated successfully, you are almost done. If errors occurred, then check that your app is up to date. The app will generate a report. It is always advisable to share the report. If the report is not shared, it only exists on the device used to do the update.